Welcome to the instruction video for the Romex Pavement Jointing Mortar Rompox Drain. In the following, we show you step by step how to apply the product professionally and thus achieve an optimal result. Rompox Drain is a two-component epoxy resin-based jointing mortar that provides durable protection against weed growth. It is available in various colors. The mortar is ideal for jointing almost all surfaces around the house, such as driveways, car parking areas, walkways and patios, from a joint width of 3 mm. Intensive pre-wetting, slurrying and final cleaning of the stone surface with a fine spray of water leave almost no resin film on the stones. To apply, you will need a garden hose with a shower or spray, a rubber squeegee and a fine coconut broom. We recommend the use of impermeable and durable protective gloves during application. To prepare, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. Then the surface to be treated must be intensively pre-wetted. Higher substrate temperatures require more intensive pre-wetting. Now open the Rompox Drain bucket. Add the contents of the enclosed bottles to the filler component. To make full use of the bottle contents, now fill both bottles with 250 ml of water each, close them and shake them vigorously. Then empty out the water into the bucket. Now mix Rompox Drain with a professional mixer for at least 6 minutes. Pour the ready mixed paving joint mortar onto the well-wetted surface. Then slurry the paving joint mortar intensively into the joints using a soft water jet and a rubber squeegee. This will ensure that the joints are completely filled. Please note that Rompox Drain must be continuously slurried in with plenty of water. Intensive pre-wetting, slurrying of the mortar and final cleaning of the stone surface with water are essential to achieve an almost resin film-free stone surface. These steps reduce the risk of white tarnishing many times over. After slurry application, rinse the mortar residue from the surface with a fine jet of water without washing out the joints. Approximately 10 to 15 minutes after rinsing, carefully sweep the stone surface with a coconut broom until it is free of all mortar residue. The correct sweeping time is reached when white streaks no longer form on the stone surface. Sweep diagonally to the joint. Chamfers in slab and clinker pavements must be exposed. Rain protection is not required in drizzle. If continuous or heavy rain sets in, the freshly grouted surface must be protected from rain for 12 to 24 hours. Construction foils or tarpaulins used for this purpose must not be placed directly on the surface to allow air to circulate. When properly applied, Rompox Drain leaves almost no resin film. It is therefore suitable for almost all coated and sensitive types of stone. Thanks to its compressive strength of more than 25 newtons per square millimeter, Drain is approved for use category N2. Furthermore, the mortar is frost and de-icing salt resistant as well as highly water permeable. Rompox Drain Grout, which has been available for over 35 years, thus meets all the requirements of modern synthetic resin jointing. A final note, Rompox Drain is best suited for tiles coverings up to a maximum size of 40 by 40 centimeters. For jointing larger tiles, we recommend our product Rompox Ecofine.